greet you. I greet you. This sun is fucking much. Like Jesus. Today should be a good day. Yeah, for me. Today should be a good day for me, but you know, sometimes people will try to mess you up, you know, and that is, by the way, I don't want to waste so much time making this video, and also this is going to be my last video regarding this whole issue, you know, and before I go on to say what I want to say, I'm seeing some comments of people saying that Father Mbaka is too much, Father Mbaka is this, Father Mbaka, Etigo Hobagara, this one, that one. You all are senseless and stupid. Yes, I said it. And let me warn you guys, if you keep pushing me, you all know me. I will give you a trouble regarding the Father Mbaka adoration ministry, Enugu, and everything. I don't give a fuck. So for those of you saying that Father Mbaka did this, he's the one doing that one to them, you're very senseless. Because if you had me right, this issue started since last year, of which I try my best to settle two of them. Now, coming to Zion First Son, I saw the rubbish video he did, though I didn't complete the video because the nigga was lying and saying some certain things. So I couldn't be able to watch all the video. I stopped at where he was saying that after he gave testimony, we are coming against him. Like, I don't understand. What am I jealousing you of, that you are jealous of him or whatever? What am I jealousing you of, bro? I don't want to say some certain things. What do you even think that you have that you rush to do testimony? Well, for your mind, now that's a big thing, right? I don't want to say some certain things anyways. But sometimes when you talk, shape your mouth. You talk like a kid. I always knew that you are just big for nothing. Yeah. Now, yesterday when I was doing this live regarding this whole thing, your wife or your girlfriend, I don't know the reason why she's denying you in public. I saw some comment where she's denying you that she's just supporting you, this and that. One thing some of you fail to understand is that I don't have any reason why I should come to social media to lie or to say what is not truth. For what exactly? To impress you all, you social media people? Why would I come on social media to lie in some certain things I'm saying? If I say the truth, nothing will happen. None of you are going to do anything to me. If I still lie, I'm not going to get anything from it. So I always choose to say the truth and say it the way it is. Because I owe none of you any explanation or anything, and you call it whatever. You know? So yesterday, your girlfriend was on my live shouting that I'm lying. She said I'm speaking on behalf of our Zion because of the 2K he's giving to me. Me. 2K. Or me, Zion, giving me money. Me. The thing is that I don't want to say some certain things. You know, because you know that you are more close to Zion than me. I don't even know who Aku was. I started hearing of Zion from you and Fearless, you know, before I came in contact with him and we started talking, and we don't have any, I don't even know how to put it, you know. So that is, by the way, you kept saying that I'm lying. Same thing your wife was saying on the video yesterday, because I knew that you were watching that live yesterday with her. I'm very sure both of you are watching together. Maybe you're the one typing that I'm lying. I should tell the audience the truth. I should do this. I should do that. I don't know. But I'm very sure that both of you are together yesterday, where he was saying that I'm lying. I should tell the truth. Now, I was expecting you to debunk everything I said, or everything I've said regarding this whole issue. That you didn't call me to explain that you did a video I could ask you to delete, that you and Aku are not having issue, that you didn't told me that only Evangelist Ebuka we made you to delete the video. You know, I was expecting you to tell that lies. You kept on mentioning that Abama is that is, by the way, my name is not Abama. If you can't call me Obama, call me Obuneme, or can you call me Michael? You know, so I was expecting you to tell that lies that I'm telling. I was on my own last year. That should be around November, December, if I'm not mistaken. I was in the middle of my final exams. I was fucking busy then. You are the one. You kept calling me. Any little thing you will call me. That they do you this, they do you that. Talk to Aku. Talk to Aku. You know? I will ask Aku. Aku will say his own side of the story. I will also tell him to calm down. Aku will say, talk to your friends, Zion Feston. Talk to your friends, Zion Feston. What I was doing then is to talk to Aku Zion and talk to you. Talk to Aku Zion and talk to you. If I talk to this person, he will just do whatever he want to do. If I talk to you, we still do whatever he want to do. Why are you all trying to involve me in this whole case? You know? You, Zion Feston, is the architect of all these things. You are the main cause. You are the main problem. You claim that you are fighting for Zion ministry, but nigga, let me tell you now, you are messing Zion ministry up. You are messing the ministry up. In our Abasa too much. In our Abasa did it too much. And you don't take advice. You don't behave like a man. That's why I call you a little boy with a big body. You don't behave like a matured guy. Abasa again did too much. You know, I was expecting you to tell that lies. Are you not having issue with Aku Zion? Now you said because you refused to join our group. What nonsense group are you talking about? What sort of nonsensical group are you talking about? I'm not in any group as far as I'm concerned. Yes, the only group I am in, you are there with me. Only 4 of us are in the group. Fearless, you, Feston, Address Zion, me, and I think one other lady, Favor, something like that, should be her name. That's the only group I am in that has to do with Zion ministry. I'm not the type that, you know, like to be in any group. That is, by the way, I also left the group sometimes last year because of you. Because of you, I left that group with anger. Someone called me after telling me some certain things. He added me back to that group. I said, no, I can't be in this group. This guy, this motherfucker don't have sense. If you're trying to take this guy, this is how social media is working. Don't do this, don't do that. You're thinking that he knew everything. You, Zion Feston, insulted me. You know, we had an argument. I left the group. That was the only group, or that is the only group I am in. And you are saying because you don't want to join our group. Which kind of nonsense group are you talking about? Which kind of nonsense group? You think I'm into Bambiala like you? You think I'm into Bambiala? Bambiala to all the Zion members, all the Zion supporters, both home and abroad. You think I do Bambiala like you? I came in, you bought a car. I don't want to say some certain things. You know? Which group? I saw one Perima that cropped that particular video, that particular line, merged with my own video, posted it that we are against you because you don't want to join our group. What group are you talking about? Me, group. You, the Zion Feston, are the person always trying to add me in your nonsense group call. How many times you have just added me in one group call? A lot of you are discussing towards that period. Because you are the only person that have all my number. All my number, both the private ones. You are the only person that have my number. Sometimes, from nowhere on WhatsApp group, I will see myself. You just say, Obama is here, Obama is here. Sometimes Mahapa will be there, Prince will be there with some other people. Everybody know that I don't like group, anything group. I don't belong in any group. So what group are you talking about? That you refuse to join Akuzion's group, and Aku used to, if Aku is having issue with somebody, he will call you to join them. Like seriously? Like seriously? Me now is making video to defend Aku. Are you being serious right now? You said that one of his people must have released that voice. The reason why I said you are the one that released that voice, and I'm very sure you are the one that released that voice, is the voice was sent to you. How did that voice left your inbox? How did the voice note left your inbox? The voice is between you and Akuzion. You say maybe I'm the one that released the voice to JPAC, or who? Which of the JPAC? Me and you, who is associating with JPAC? It's not making any sense to me. Me and you, who is associating with JPAC? Am I talking to JPAC on WhatsApp or private? I'm asking you all this question and I need answer. You said you are in the group. Do you think I'm talking with any of these people you are seeing online? Among all these bloggers, the only person that always or sometimes chat with me is Ijowa. I don't have any of them contact. I don't have Ezugo contact. I've never spoken with Ezugo on WhatsApp. Same thing with Ogechi. I don't have Ogechi in Jaka contact. I've never spoken with Ogechi for once in my life. Call it WhatsApp, call it normal, call it whatever. All these people is just social media something. And after that, I mind my business. Because I'm the kind of person that always like to focus more in real life on all these social media things. I have the time, my spare time I give to social media. You think I'm on social media like you, chasing after views, chasing after money? You think I do that? You said you are in the group. Maybe you are insinuating that me, Ezugo, Ogechi, Ijowa, or whoever again, maybe Ebudon, that we are the groups of people that they are pushing you to join and you refuse. That's why we are coming against you. Like seriously? Like, are you being serious? So that is the truth you want to tell, that you said that I'm lying. That because you refused to join our group. Are you being serious? Which group? The same thing, even the same thing Ogechi did. Ogechi said, you also said it. You are still the person that came out to say that Father Webejoy has a son in America. Another long story, other Babadash you said. I don't know where you got the information. I never for once come on social media to say that this person Juwe, this person Juwe Menka, this person Juwe Sendianka. I do my thing based on their speech. I analyze it and put my own opinion. I don't accuse people of what I don't know. You know? I don't accuse people. You said I always call you. When I get home, I'll get my own Samsung. I will check our chat and we know who call each other and how everything went. You think I have that time? You yourself, you know they complain, say anytime when they try to reach me, I know they respond. You and Ogechi, you again, sir, did the same thing. Okay, if Ogechi and JPAC and Co said, Father Mbaka did this one, did that. You also said Mwebejoy, a son in America. You are the same thing with Ogechi. Why for me innocent? I said it, your type of person, you are always trying to claim righteous. You put a ban at church, I put a ban at Jew. Nigga, stay one place. I don't like people like you. You are sabotaging Zion ministry. There is no way you will claim that you love Zion, you love Evangelist Ebuka, you are trying to defend the ministry. And you see those people that has been criticizing the ministry from day one because of the fallout. They are requesting for money. And you are trying to be friends with them. You will never for once call them out sincerely. You eat and dine with them. You are because he's the only one good person. He's the only one this one. Others, joker. Even when those niggas are dragging the prophet and the ministry, towards when we are still discussing about relocating to Ngopal, two of them were killed because they are doing it direct and indirectly. You are supporting them. So what are you saying? The thing is that you are a fool. I said it. You are just big for nothing. Your greediness, your bitter heart with Ako is the reason why all these things is going on. Because I pleaded with you. Forget all these things, first son. You say lie. You claim you love Zion ministry. You have the interest of Zion ministry at heart. You will make a video that you see that clearly this video is dividing the members, dividing the supporters of Zion ministry. And they are telling you to delete this video. Once you delete the video, all these fans will rest. Most of them are talking based on what they are seeing on social media. They clearly don't know what is going on off social media. That's why sometimes I will see their comment and opinion. I will just laugh. Because most of them don't know what is going on off social media. They told you to delete this video you made. It's causing confusion. It's causing division. You that claim that you love Zion ministry and you have the interest of Zion ministry at heart. You want the good of Zion ministry. You refused. You refused. You know? That is the main reason Zion got angry. Why can't you delete the video? You are claiming you love Zion ministry. Why can't you delete the video? After speaking with Aku, you called me. I said, okay. What's the reason why they're asking you to delete the video? You told me that they said this in this one. I said, okay, if that's the case, delete the video. You say, even if you delete it, the prophet must call you. The prophet must call you. Okay, among all this voice and all these things that is going on, where did I lie? Because I see some Zion members insulting me. Some are saying some certain things on my inbox. I don't care. If Enugu Adoration people can insult me today, then what else? Yeah. If Enugu Adoration people can insult me today, what else? I saw some Zion members insulting me, both on my inbox and comment. And you said that I lied. So all this whole thing that you said, where is that lie that I said? You are just making things up for yourself because you fell out of favor with Zion. You now want to use it to destroy anything that has to do with Zion. But you don't know that indirectly you are shooting at Zion ministry because Zion is trying to protect the interest of Zion ministry. That's why I said that you are just a little boy with a big body. After you told me that you will never respect Zion because you're supporting someone that insults your mother, you are trying every means. Whenever you see where they made video to Zion, you rush to like it. I've pleaded with Ako several times. Leave Zion first zone. If Ako can talk. The thing is that you don't know the opinion I always hold against you whenever your matter come. You don't know. I pleaded with him to leave this guy. Leave this guy. Forget all those things. Nobody is 100% human. We all make mistakes. I spoke to Ako until Ako calm down. You know? I spoke to Ako. Ako said, okay, that he's not going to do anything anymore. But you still should respect yourself. But you didn't stop. You kept liking videos. reposting videos that are dragging Zion. That is what you are doing. And that is the more reason why Aku got angry. I spoke with Aku until Aku calmed down, so okay, no problem. But you, Zion face son, you kept reposting video from JPAC. That period. You even did a video indirectly to Aku Zion singing Onyiro Gigato to Konkom. You know exactly what you did. Stop claiming innocent. Say the truth. You are the main architect of all this problem. Because of your own selfish interest. Or you feel that you want to protect whatever. Charisma on social media. You are not different from Njomina and Abuze Ezioku. Because what you did is what Njomina and Abuze Ezioku are doing. You and them are the same thing. I'm not a fool and I'm not a kid. Everything you did then is what Njomina and Abuze Ezioku are doing to Evangelist Ebuka and Zion Ministry. Which is, since they don't like Evangelist Ebuka Obi and Zion Ministry, whenever they see something, you know, exactly what Njomina and Abuze Ezioku are doing to Zion Ministry and Evangelist Ebuka is what you, Zion Person, are doing all these years, all these months, I mean. Which is, Njomina and Abuze Ezioku, what they are doing is because they don't like Evangelist Ebuka and Zion Ministry. Whenever they see any blogger or a native doctor or whoever that is going against Zion Ministry, they will rush to that person's page and be supporting the person, cheering the person up, liking their videos, because they don't like Evangelist Ebuka and Zion Ministry. Let me educate you now, because maybe you don't know what you are doing all this while. Now, because you don't like Aku Zion, and Aku Zion is protecting the interests of Zion Ministry, you now went to be friends with people that hate Aku, people that he fell out of favor with, which is JPAC and co, liking their videos, appearing on their life, saying some rubbish, giving a kind of opinion that we shade Aku in a way, acting as a special assistant to Evangelist Ebuka, or I don't even know what to call you, safe, or the second in command. You think all of us are senseless. That is what I could always call to complain. That he have lived this matter, and I'm the one always pushing him to leave you. Why are you doing this? I remember there is this video JPAC did, shouting audio billionaire, this one, that one. You first one, you went to repost that video, laughing like a fool. Because he's going against Aku. You yourself, within yourself, are the one that think that Aku has a group or whatever with people. You are the one that thought that within yourself. And you classify what I don't know. That is why you always go against whoever that you think that are part of that group. Because Aku and Doge are in a good term, doing their thing, and you are not in a good term with Aku. That is the reason why you did that video to shade Ogechi, to shut her up. Because she's in good term with Aku. And you are thinking that she is a part of Aku's group. You didn't do that video because you love Zion Ministry. You did that video because Ogechi Njaka is on a good term with Aku Zion and doing her thing. Same thing you did to Ijowa. The same video JPAC did, saying that Ijowa Ogena Adehanya Akana Abuya Ogofuaka. You reposted that video of JPAC, or you said the same words JPAC used to Ijowa. The way he's doing things on social media, this one, that one, you're calling someone Agege, this one, that one that you're not sure of. That they will arrest you too. They don't arrest one of their member. They will arrest the second person, Bini Joa. That is the reason why I try to come on social media to warn you. Because I have tried that in private. It didn't work out. You know what you are doing. You know exactly what you are doing. You always want to appear as a saint, innocent, good person. The only good person Zion ministry have. Everybody is saying it now. You don't enter your head. The only good person. But meanwhile, you are not a straightforward human being. You said that they want you to join and be going against whoever is having issue with Ako. And you refused. Can you tell me that person they told you to join to go against? Mention that person for me. Do you think as I am now, somebody can manipulate me or tell me what to say on social media? If they are doing that to you guys, nobody does that to me. You know? Even if you ask Akuzayon today, I don't call him anyhow. Me and him don't talk often. Whenever I see Akuzayon's call, I know that something important is involved. And whenever Akuzayon see my call, you know that something very important. I don't just disturb, like, call or text people anyhow. You think I have that time? Talk more of telling me to go and join this group. Like, seriously? You know what you are doing. You are just pretending to be a good person. The only good person in Zion. Because I refuse to follow them to Saga. Who is them and who is the person as against Saga Ejo? Some idiot are believing you. That is because you refuse to join them in the group to Saga person. That's why they are against you. And you later say that because you and Akuzayon is having issue, you said that you said that you will never respect him. You are a big liar. You are doing all these things just to get back at Akuzayon. That's just the simple and honest truth. You are doing all these things just to get back at Akuzayon. And to say that you don't get sense, you don't know that you are indirectly shooting yourself. Because Ako and you and Ako are fighting one battle, which is Zion ministry. But because you don't have sense, that's why I thought you are doing to Ako. And nobody sent him to do this. Nobody sent him to do one. Nobody just say, nigga, be careful. You know, you have to be careful and respect yourself. Amend your ways and your life. You couldn't straightforward. All because of this whole thing made you to attend J Park's wedding. You try to, like, you don't send anybody. Before, who sent you? You are trying to, you are trying every possible means to dent the image of both Akuzayon, Zion ministry and everything, but you don't know. You think I'm in contact with Ogechi? You think I've never, I don't even have Ogechi WhatsApp. I don't even have Ogechi number. I've never talked with Ogechi one-on-one on phone. Talk more of seeing her in person. Forget about this social media of a thing. I can always support whoever I want to support. As far as you are talking about Zion ministry, the good of it, trying to defend one or two, I'm with you. Chisom, you not gonna understand me now. I'm seeing all your ranting and all your comments. You are the same person saying that I'm saying that the girl is Zion first son girlfriend, Abi Zion girlfriend's wife. That means it's a lie. I'm lying. I can just come out and say that this person is his girlfriend or his wife. You know, most of you don't know what is going on. You are just dealing with what you are seeing on social media. You say you don't know where I belong. Why would you know where I belong? You don't know. Because maybe you don't understand English. that this whole thing, Zion Faison is the main architect of all these things. Because of the issue he have with Ako Zion. I never said it mean anything. But in a way, it does. In a way, it does. If you don't see him attending J-Park wedding with all these things they are doing to Zion and Evangelist Ebuka Obi, the same person he claimed that he loved so much, he did this one, he did that one. And you see somebody directly and indirectly shading and insulting him because they refused to give them money. And you went to the wedding to identify. You kept at not even the wedding is not even my problem. Let's just assume, okay, wedding boom was marriage in one. But you kept identifying with them. Even though you want to deal with them, it's still not a bad thing. Nobody asks you to inherit enmity. But always try to avoid that particular issue that are causing that problem. But for you to see that you Zion Faison, you no get sense, you go appear on their life, they talk rubbish and indirectly shading Ako Zion. You are dealing with yourself, oh. Nobody is doing you. You are doing with yourself. That's just the honest truth. You are doing yourself. Nobody is jealousing you. Let me just keep that record straight. I don't have anything to jealous about you or against you. If I'm jealousing you because of what you used to give testimony or whatever, that means I'm calling poverty in my life and I reject it. Let me tell you now. If you think that because since you gave testimony, we are jealousing you, you don't get money or whatever, I reject it in my life. If you didn't know all those things. You started having issue with Ako Zion since last year. So what's the link or what's the connection between your testimony or whatever that is happening? The same thing with the Umu Ofekenase, Fadambaka, Otigo Hobara, this one, that one. All these things happened since last year. It has nothing to do with whatever. And I try, God knows that I try my best to settle these two people. All have a problem now. Nothing concern me with his relationship and Ako Zion. If he didn't call me, I wouldn't have come in. He's the one that complained to me. Look at what's going on. Look at what's going on. I said, okay, don't worry, I will talk to Ako to free you. How am I working with a kind of group to banter people and we ask you to join us and you refuse? That's why we are going against you. Like, seriously? Oh, that line now, Abaka go do miss yourself. Like, seriously? Which group is that particular group I know with Ako Zion? I know you can join ya. I get you. Is it one madu no me meka? So only onyo me meka when a Zion ministry. Nekwe I join a basaga. Since in the Buddha, me go saga. In time. So which group are you talking about? Now that line they pay me pass, and that since you gave testimony or whatever, everything is like seriously. Gonna be your image testimony. If you're in a mess in a you think I do wo like you? It's an na queen like you. The man in a baza. Money ema pa ihe Muhammad na baza. Iwu muke man in a baza kawa. In a baza too much. You said that I always want to show himself. You are the one that always want to show yourself. Because any little thing, you must want people to notice that you are there. You know? In Ambaza too much. You this Zion Faison. Ambaza get it too much. You always like to appear everywhere and give your opinion. Even when you are talking rubbish, you will still try to talk that rubbish to the end. You think I'm useless? Like you manage their from self. They ask you to join a group, you refuse. Show me that group. I dare you to show me that group. Who and who made up to that group? Who group of Ako Zion? Present your evidence of that particular group you want you to join. You refuse and we start sagaring you. Me, they saga you. Muankana sagage. Like seriously. all because of you. It's because of you that made me to give up on this whole issue, this whole case. And I stopped talking about it. Because I spoke to Ako, trying to let her to understand that Zion's first son has tried. Forget all these things. Forget it all and say, you are not doing anything for the ministry. That you are a content creator and this person. All those things, you anger. Forget all those things. I tried to tell him that this guy has also tried. Forget these things. I knew when this whole blogging of a team, them with Zion ministry, all these native doctors, I know how when they are chasing everybody. This guy was sleeping inside his car. They traced him to his house. I could say, okay, no problem, that everything will be fine. But I should tell you to desist from making that video. Reposting that video those people are doing against him. Liking it, trying to shade him with any little means you have. But you kept doing it. You kept doing it. If you go see the possess, you need special deliverance if you don't know. Zion first son, if the Igbo possess, forget it. You're not behaving like a man. You think you can come on social media to mess me up? You think you can come on social media to mess me up? Some people are telling me not to talk. Don't react. Why won't I? Let's watch our dirty bosses online. You think I have anything to hide? Do you think I have anything or any secret or whatever? I don't have it. Release your voice note. I see you know? You think I have such time? You think I reply my WhatsApp? You think I talk to people like that? Say I'm jealous seeing you. We are jealous seeing you. Who are you? Do I know you? If not for Zion ministry, do I know you? I don't know you. We don't do the same thing. The same you that loves Zion ministry has caused division among Zion supporters, Zion fans, Zion members. Some are now going against you. Why some are supporting you? Some are now insulting me. Why some are supporting me? Because of you. You and your girlfriend, that be fiancé, he came to my life and be talking rubbish. You think I talk on WhatsApp? See Igbo Channels TV. You think I don't talk to people? I hardly communicate. That's why some always say you go do that from Facebook, but to reply chat they had you. I don't have time. Talk more of it on a group now. Cogging. One idiot went to crop that video. That is because he refused to join them. He refused to join them. Like, seriously. Is it not my chat with you? This is my old WhatsApp, my old phone. Is it not my message with you? And I'm communicating like that on WhatsApp. You can tell. Is it not my communication with you? So when am I doing the communication? You think I have such time? We talk once. Is this not all your missed calls? Is this not all your missed calls? I believe this was towards that thing everything is happening. Is it not all your missed calls in Adna? And you came out to lie against me because they said, is it not all your missed calls? You are the one that came to me, explaining to me what is happening. That you did this, they said this one. I said, okay, don't worry, I'll talk to Ako. I tried to calm him. I also tried to calm you. You guys are I'm in between you guys. You refuse to listen. I could even agreed to allow everything. But you kept on pushing. So they asked you to join a group. You refuse. That's why they are shading you. They want to bring you down. Who are you? Who do you even think you are? I don't want to say some certain things because I'm not like you. Always on certain things, like trying to drag myself out there. If not, I will say some certain things. Don't worry, let me see you do another video. Let me just see you do another video. Can you why here? They send me the voice. I'm the one that leave. For what? That maybe you are kind of insinuating that I'm the one. Somebody is mentioning Mexico TV. That fool, that idiot called Mexico TV. I blocked him since last year. I blocked him. And he knew. He knew the reason why I did that. Them no say, they had me to block people. That Mexico TV is an idiot, ungrateful human being. Onye na mwanya bani ne fisi page yo asara. Now accuse everything about pages and Facebook. And you are coming online because of your stupid opinion to tell me that you are disappointed in me. Even though I'm doing something on social media you don't like. You always communicate with me on WhatsApp. That idiot is the only person that have my Canada WhatsApp line. He's the only one. No matter who you are, I will give you my Nigerian number. I don't give people my Canada line anyhow because I don't want disturbance. They like my Nigerian number. They phone my Nigerian number. Now on silent 247. That's why people will get ogidi. And the idiot came out to tell and disappointed at Obuma. This one, that one. I also saw one idiot lady that said that is the reason why I unfollowed him. You think following me, you are doing me a favor. You think unfollowing me, you're also doing me a favor. Nah, you are not. I don't care. Most of them, you don't like Ogage, you don't like this one, you don't like this one, you don't like this one. You can also try to do your thing and allow people to do theirs. One thing I can do on this social media is to come out and tell lies. I'm not on that category anymore. The only thing I can do whenever I'm making a video or an update is to be a bit biased. But I'm telling you the way it happened. It's best for you to believe it or not. Because if I tell you the truth, you ain't going to do anything. If I see tell lies, same thing. You think I have the time? The only thing I will tell you is to go and settle with Ako. I don't have any issue with you. I don't have any problem with you. I don't have any problem with anybody. Go and settle with Ako. Okay, my Iginiaji. And I'm on my own, JJ. You started calling me to report to me. This is what they are doing you. This is what is going on. You added me in a group call 3 times. I be 2 times. You and your team. The same you claiming that they are in the group or whatever. But you and your own group, I don't know where you guys were doing all those whatever group. Because I'm not interested on it. The same you always, you just add me on group WhatsApp call. I'll be asking what's going on here. I'm always okay. I will talk to Ako when it has to do anything with Ako. That is, by the way, you all know Ako Zion before me. You all are more closer to him before me. But you kept messing yourself up. The other guy, Ako Zion mentioned na the voice, Mahakwe, also has his own complaint about Ako. And I will keep talking to Ako. Now I was the enemy trying to destroy you or be jealousing you ni or your parents go Highlander or be whatever. Like seriously. All of you, I knew what is going on. All of you joined together. I know what is going on. After all these things, some of you stopped talking to me. I know that a lot of you are angry with me. I don't want to be mentioning your name. People you are manipulating because Gima was on first one. It's very manipulative. You are very manipulative. You are not different from JPAC. I'm not more spirit of JPAC possessed again or something. It's very manipulative. I saw the post he made mentioning some people. They didn't mention you guys' name. That means you are not, they didn't regard you. This one, that one. Trying to make those ones feel somehow. Or maybe to kill their morale in terms of talking about the ministry. You yourself, after messing up, you come and be forming innocent. Meanwhile, you are the main architect of all these things. You did that video to Ogechi just to get back at Ako Zion. Nothing more. You made a video to Ako Zion. Say why only Rome got to come. Saying some certain things. JPAC will do video and be saying audio billionaire and doing some rubbish. You go and like it. You reposted some, and by your side of the video, you are laughing. I could always call my attention to all those things. See this guy asked me to leave. See this guy, see what this guy is doing. That is why I said Nede, he the possess. You are the first person that attacked Ogechi. Telling how you this woman, shut up, this one, that one. Are you the speaker of Zion ministry? What's your business? Even though anybody want to go and openly criticize what Ogechi is doing, it's not for the Evangelist Ebuka to do it, and not you. And you come out to, you insulted the lady, when you know that the whole heat was on, and everybody are following the whole thing. You are the only person that came out from Zion ministry to openly criticize the lady. You think you are the only one that somehow don't like the way she used to say some certain things. But people are doing that private. Tell this lady to stop doing this one. Call this lady to stop doing this one. You guys should be advising this lady. This one, that one. But to get my normal see why talk everybody Fotaga says woman. The only one is woman them in a Zion ministry. You openly came out to insult the lady. You this woman, shut up, this one, that one. And he tried to insult you back and involve your mother. Because you can't insult me and tell me how I will insult you back. You can insult me the way you want. I will also return it to you the way I want. You said yours to me and expect me to deal with it. I also expect you to deal with mine. So can you in a way? Say they insulted your mother. This one, that one. Delete video on all cause issue. Dikwechiri. Kita not because of your testimony. This one, that one. Don't worry. I don't want to say some certain things. If not, you think that I do all this Bambiala you guys are doing. You think I do that? You think I have the time to be doing Bambiala? They have the group they are paying. If you said a lot of things on that video, swearing, laying course, that course you gave, I could give you 30,000. He even gave you. You think he used to give me? China me make ego. Ego ne we hear again. Amend your ways and go and settle your issue with Zion. Stop disgracing yourself. You are disgracing yourself, but you don't know. You don't like the way Ogechi do this. You don't like. Do you think that the way you used to do yours, everybody's okay with it? You can never see me to come out and start questioning people because you do this video or this one, that one. Do yours. Let me do mine because page is my page. Yours is yours. If they ask you to bring that evidence of Father Mwebe Joy that have a child or twins in America, we don't bring it. The most righteous and innocent that do clean content, do clean saga. Unoma see why you as a minister. Give me underwater. Give me underwater. Or give me 7-Up. I need to add sugar. Give me 7-Up. The old one. The one inside the fridge. I need to add sugar. Give me underwater. Sharp, sharp. Those of you who are actually unuga, who are fuga ashri, Bruna say jeke unukoa. You are fuga ashri unugako. But the only thing I want to make clear is that there is nothing like he refused to join a group. Then we started trying to mess him up. I dare him to provide that group or mention one person that is in that group with evidence. If he can come out with that group, evidence of that group, or evidence of who they want him to start saggering, I will give him 1 million naira. I will do it. If he will provide evidence of it, that particular group, that because he refused to join, that's why this one, that one, that one. I will give him 1 million naira. Let him provide it. Obama is lying. Obama, say the truth. That since I'm lying, you kept repeating everything I said. For some of you followers, we know the reason. Saying that I'm lying. What is the lie there? That he didn't refuse to delete posts, he's not having issue with Zion. Or that he's not appearing with, relating with JPAC them. Or which is none of my business. And nobody is telling him not to. But sometimes, like I always say, your movement, people will start suspecting you. So, where is that lies? People are saying that I lie. Are you not having issue with that? Are you not the one that called me? I'm here na dadun. I'm here na name. I'm not saying delete post or whatever. I'm not aware. Then I'm not so active on social media because of my exam. You are the one that called me. You always call me to complain. Your missed calls are everywhere. So how am I going against you because you refuse joining a group? Which nonsense group? The only group I am, you are there. Which you made me leave the group once because you insulted me. That was when you went to post. You get one native doctor, if you guys can remember, that came to Zion ministry. We have other native doctor, they can Anunuebe something. He made a kind of useless video then. Trying to come to Zion. You get what that native doctor did. MC went to carry that video. I told MC first on that this native doctor is trying to use you. Don't believe him. Nobody should repost that video. He just wants to use you to gain publicity or and get back as Zion ministry. Don't post that video. The guy started insulting me. Saying some certain things on the group. I think he also mentioned something that has to do with I'm jealousing him also or something, the way he posts or whatever. I can't remember what happened there. Stand to be corrected. This guy said a lot. I got angry and left the group after dropping a voice. Because on my norms, I'm not doing anything on that group. I don't see any need of being in that group. I left the group. Someone called me after telling me some certain things. That's why I got back on that group. The ladies also might be here, active here on Facebook, that called me. What later happened? Didn't the native doctor Anunuebe or whatever they called him later turn against Zion ministry and started saying that he came to use Zion people's mind. He came to do this one. He came to do that one. The same thing I said later happened. Because all these people that are doing this social media, once I see you and your page, I know where you are coming from. There's no two ways about it. What I told him later happened. The native doctor later turned back to use that video he reposted, and I think he went to do that native doctor interview or something. I can't remember exactly what happened there. That is the only group I am in with you. And no other group. And I don't do group things. The same you that told me then that you that have been in Zion ministry doing this one, that one, they are not trying to bring JPAC and the governor Zoku closer than you. You said a lot of things then. Not trying to. I don't want to start saying some certain things because you are not who some people are thinking that you are. You're the jealous. You are kind of a jealous human being. The same thing you thought about Ogechi. Maybe Ogechi is trying to take your shine. Because she's speaking about Zion ministry. She's trying to take your shine. This one, that one. You went to make nonsense video. And they ask you to delete. That is causing issue. To those people you claim you love. You see no. Because of views. This will be the last video or the last thing I will say regarding this whole issue. This will be the last. But for those of you who query, you better be careful. Especially all these amateur bloggers you see from Adoration Enugu. You guys better be very careful with me. I told you countless times, if you think you can make trouble with me, I will give you trouble. I will give you trouble, like full trouble. I'm shameless. And I don't care. Say me ekpere daddy gi ikpe. Nka jime, nka me nke emeho. Ebeka daddy gi ono si last year na akuza yo na-enwe issue. Okpe di ekpere den. Mataya so na drag you since. You never bury ekpere ka onwu fu since ya. Or some of you, the type of people are not religious, suchicharo boro. A lot of you religious are suchichago no boro. Suchisie common sense you. I don't want to say anything, Seth. Igbo channel. I didn't say anything. If I vex for that nigga and say some certain things, like, he no go like himself. You're lying against me. That I'm the one. What's my business with issue Gina Akunemwe? You are the one that came to me. Let me stop here. I have something to do. Maybe. Oh, we are going to somewhere now. Let me stop here. I've already said my own side of the story, how everything went. For those of you Zion fans where they insult me, I saw a lot of things on my inbox. I even in comment tagging me. Now I know. Now I know. One thing you all will know is that I no get shame. If I decide to focus on you, you no go like yourself. God the one.